Hello everyone. If you want to dominate search engine rankings and drive massive organic traffic to your website, then this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you powerful backlink strategies that actually work in 2025. Stick around till the end because I'll be revealing 3 secret techniques that almost no one talks about. So what are backlinks? Simply put, backlinks are links from other websites that point to your site. Google sees these as votes of confidence, which helps boost your rankings. But here's the catch. Not all backlinks are created equal. You need high-quality, relevant backlinks to see real results. Let's dive into the strategies. First up, guest blogging. This is one of the most effective ways to build backlinks and establish yourself as an authority. If you're using Blogspot and want to write a guest post, the first step is to find relevant Blogspot blogs that accept guest contributions. You can do this by using search queries like cite blogspot.com right for us. This method will help you discover blogs that are open to guest posts. Once you find potential blogs, identify those within your niche and check their writer guidelines. Some blogs will have a dedicated guest post guidelines page, while others may list their rules under the About section. If no specific guidelines are available, you can contact the blog owner via their contact form or social media to inquire about guest posting opportunities. When reaching out, your email should be clear and professional. Start by introducing yourself and expressing interest in contributing to their blog. Mention the topic ideas you'd like to write about and explain why they would be valuable for their audience. A well-structured email increases your chances of getting a positive response. Once your guest post request is accepted, focus on writing a high-quality article that follows standard blogging practices. Your post should have a compelling H1 title, well-organized H2 subheadings, and an engaging thumbnail image to attract readers. The content should be informative, original, and valuable to the audience. Make sure to follow any specific formatting requirements provided by the blog owner. After your post is published, don't stop there, promote it. Share it on social media, engage with readers in the comments, and consider linking to it from your own blog or other platforms. This will help maximize the reach of your guest post and strengthen your online presence. Second method, resource page link building. Many websites have resource pages that list helpful articles and tools. To leverage this, find resource pages in your niche and reach out to site owners, suggesting that they include your content if it's a good fit. This is a simple yet highly effective way to gain backlinks. Additionally, connect with writers who create content in your niche and ask them to feature your article in their resource section. When readers click on the resource link, they'll be directed to your blog, boosting your traffic and authority. Bonus tip: add a Read More section in your post to encourage engagement. By making your content more valuable and easily accessible, you increase the chances of earning more backlinks and keeping readers on your site longer. If you're writing content in my niche, check out my blogs. Feel free to reach out. I'd love to connect, collaborate, and support each other in growing our reach. Let's work together to create valuable content and build strong backlinks. Third method, Google Search Console for indexing. One of the simplest yet most crucial steps to ensure your content is discoverable is indexing your posts in Google Search Console. If your post isn't indexed, it won't appear in Google search results, meaning potential readers won't find it. To index your post, simply copy its URL and paste it into the URL inspection tool in Google Search Console. Click Request Indexing, and Google will analyze your URL for any issues. If everything is in order, your request will be approved, and your post will become searchable on Google. Regularly indexing your new content helps speed up its visibility in search results, allowing you to attract more organic traffic. Don't skip this step. It's a quick and effective way to boost your blog's reach. Backlinks are a game changer for growing your website's organic traffic, and now you have some powerful strategies to start building them. But SEO is even more effective when we work together. Let's collaborate and help each other grow. Drop a comment below if you're interested in building backlinks together. Whether you have a blog in a similar niche or just want to connect, let's support each other and create something amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more SEO tips. Let's build something great together.